Hi everyone, welcome back. So GFG problem of the day today is longest valid parenthesis. This is a very commonly asked question. So we are given a string consisting of opening and closing parenthesis. We have to find the length of the longest valid parenthesis of a string. A parenthesis is string is valid if for every opening parenthesis there is a closing parenthesis. An opening parenthesis must be closed in correct order. So if we see this is string, what is the maximum length of log valid? With 1 and 2. This is the valid, rest are not because there is no closing. Similarly in this 4 is the length because only this is valid. Now how to find this? This question can be done in several ways. We shall see today the implementation of a stack for this question. So what shall we keep in a stack? For every opening parenthesis we need a closing parenthesis, right? So in a stack, we shall keep the opening parenthesis, and whenever we encounter a closing parenthesis, we shall remove the opening parenthesis from the stack and check the last valid index, means the last index from which where we are starting. So that shall give us the length. For every time we encounter closing parenthesis, we shall pop from the stack the opening parenthesis and then check which was the last index in the stack from where we are calculating the length. So this is how we shall do. So for that we initially need to have an index from which we are starting to calculate the length. So for that initially we will store -1. So we need an answer that is max length which shall initially be 0. We need a stack. Now first we are inputting -1 because before 0 -1 comes. That is our index from which we are starting to calculate the answer. Now what we have to do for each open index, we shall insert its index. So from 0 to s dot length, we shall check if the character is opening parenthesis, we shall just put its index in the stack. Otherwise we have encountered a closing parenthesis, so for that we need to pop the stack. So we will remove from the stack. Now if the stack is empty, means we have removed the -1 index, we are not having any open index, so means this closing index does not contain any valid answer, correct? So after this index we shall get the correct answer. So this is the last, so we shall insert this index to the stack because after this we shall get the correct answer. Otherwise we have encountered, if the stack is not empty, means we have got a valid answer. There must be some opening parenthesis or our initial index. So we have got our answer. So what will be our max answer? Max answer will be max of previous max answer and current index minus stack.b, last opening bracket index. Current index minus this last opening bracket index, this shall give us the length, right? So these are the conditions. Stack empty means we have not got any valid answer and we cannot match this closing parenthesis to anything, so we shall just insert this index because this is the last index that can be calculated. After this we shall get new valid parenthesis. Otherwise we have got a maximum answer which shall be equal to the current index minus the last valid index, which we shall get from the stack. After this for loop, our max answer will be the answer which we are looking for and we shall just return that. So this is the simple stack approach for this question. I hope you guys would have got the approach. Thanks for watching the video. Have fun. Bye.